Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use YOYO Assistant and HONOR Search on HONOR Magic8 Lite. So the YOYO name for the assistant is primarily China exclusive, therefore it is not available under that name anywhere else but China mostly, but still the functionality of this assistant is still right there on this device, except for it uses some other assistants like Gemini, for example. My model by default uses Gemini, but if you want to enable smart suggestions on your phone, you either have to tap right here to open this AI suggestions service, or if you don't see it here, you can swipe down the control center, then go to settings, and then in settings open HONOR AI, go to AI suggestions, tap next, tap agree, and now in AI suggestions you can go to app suggestions and select which apps you want to see in this menu, and this menu will automatically update with new apps list depending on your habits and scenarios that you are in. Now if you want to also receive tips for your scenarios based on your scenarios and your habits, then in quick services enable tips by switching this toggle to the right, and this way your phone will sometimes suggest some applications that you might need at that time. Now about HONOR Search, which is basically a feature that works like Spotlight does on iOS devices, on Apple devices generally. All you have to do is just swipe down from the middle of your smartphone screen and then search for basically anything, and not only within your apps list but also online and also in your device's settings. So for example, we can search for display size, and we can open display size menu straight from the home screen of our device, or we can search for some article on Wikipedia. And then tap search, and then read an article straight from the home screen without the need to use our browser and search engine. And that's how it works. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.